Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on my channel I will be tying my hair up and doing something fun with it. I'm going to try out some edges with the new eco gel that I received from the Clicks Curl event. So I'm going to be trying this out. What you will be needing is a toothbrush, as well as I'll be doing my hair to the back. So I'm going to be using this Evolve brush that I received from the Clicks Curl event as well. And then I'll be trying out the olive oil glossing hair mousse by Palmer's as well today. So I'm going to be giving all this stuff a shot. Stay tuned and we'll get into it. So first of all, my hair, this is day 2 of my hair. I obviously use Palmer's on my hair, and today I'll be fluffing it up into a little pineapple. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to go in with this mousse. Let me shake this up a bit. Cool. And then I'm literally just gonna apply this all over the show. Cool, so that's that, and that's adding a nice gloss to my hair. And then I'm just gonna go in with a brush. Get that nice and smooth. And I'm just going to tie this up as high as possible to get the prettiest little pineapple. Yes, I'm using a green pom-pom that I stole from someone. Cool, so my hair is up in a pineapple. I don't think I need to really do anything to the top. I'm just going to add a little bit of more mousse, because the shine this mousse is adding is amazing. And it's a good refresher. Just scrunch that in. Cool. And then I'm going to go in with this Eco Styler, which is a professional styling gel. And I'm actually just going to dip my toothbrush, an old toothbrush, not my current one I'm using, into the gel. We're just going to do a little bit, and then I'm just going to go in and brush my edges. I have seen that the Evolve range of the brush that I just used now, they actually have a little comb and brush to do the edges with. So maybe you just want to check them out at Clicks. I'm not sure if it's available. They said it would be available as at the 1st of April. So I'm going to go check that out as well. And that's my edges, and that's my little pineapple. I think those products did well. That's my look for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in.